reiteration that PhilHealth's funds should only be used for PhilHealth and health purposes, that it cannot be realigned for other purposes. So kasama na po yun, yung reiteration nito sa UHC amendments.
Sir, since yung TRO ang covered lang yung remaining 29.9 billion pesos na hindi natatransfer, are you still hoping or may chance pa kaya na mahabol yung nailipat na 60 billion in case na ideklara na unconstitutional ng Korte Suprema yung
sana maibalik, no? Kasi nga of course, sabihin na natin may bias ako because my concern really is the implementation of the UHC. Ang gandang pakinggan, siyempre nakakasama rin na loob, nakaka-frustrate that it's really a landmark legislation, but again, we are already in the 4th year, dapat nararamdaman na ito, no? Yung iba naman ramdam na, no? There are already improvements from almost 60% out of